So today I want to take you guys with me for showings. I'm here in Richmond Hill with my clients, and I have around 4 properties to show him today, and let's see how it goes. Come along. It was okay. They liked it, but we still have 3 more to go, so let's see how it goes. So I'm at the second location right now. It was okay. I didn't like the unit, my clients didn't like the unit, so we are off to the third one. Let's go how it goes. Bye! Okay, just did the third one. It's at 2522 Keel Street. They liked it. So we have 2 contenders so far, but we still have a 4th one that we're gonna go now and have a look at it, and that one is 5 Everson. Wish me good luck. Bye-bye. So this is 5 Everson. They like that one too. So let's see how it goes. So I'm done with my clients. I have another client later today starting from 5. It's almost 4 right now. I'm gonna head to the other location for my other clients. Just FYI, Scotiabank is offering $399 for refinancing and $369 for purchase of home. So take advantage if you guys want to, and if you want further information, you can DM me, you can call me, you can send me an email. Bye.